Welcome back to Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Carrick, but in this channel I find anything and everything filmmaking. So today we're gonna show you guys how to use this thing. I've already shown you guys some accessories and what this thing is, but let's go ahead and show you guys how to do some shots. So let's start at the basics. The basics are the push in, push out, and the following in a horizontal plane. For this, you're gonna want it in tilt lock mode, and then you're gonna want to either, like I mentioned before, push in and push out. And then after that, for the moving horizontally, you still want it in tilt lock and you just want to stay steady and keep the line that you're using in the grid form horizontal and move along with the subject that you have. Now, a cool feature that this gimbal has is the active tracking. You put a little box on it, keep it on follow mode, that way it will keep your subject centered, and then you follow them throughout a location to showcase the location and where they're going. Next up is the bad boy shot, where they come from out of frame or from beneath the frame, and then you go up while you're circling them to look heroic. For this, you're gonna keep it in the boxed active tracking mode, and then you're gonna circle them while keeping them in frame and then putting their face kind of looking towards away from the camera in a different location to kind of showcase that they're about to go into battle, business, or whatever, something heroic that they're gonna do. The next shot I like to call the tilt reveal. So for this, you're gonna either have it tilt down or tilt up in tilt lock mode. That way you can control the tilt using the dial in the middle, and then you're gonna start from either high or low depending on which one you're gonna do. So if you're going from high, you're gonna want to tilt all the way down. If you're going from low, you're gonna tilt all the way up. And then you're gonna go from that location, say going from up to going out to reveal the location, you're gonna be tilted down, and you're gonna pull out while you tilt the camera forward to reveal the location that you're in. The last shot we're going to be looking at is called the Inception Shot because of the popularity that came from using Inception and also Black Panther. Now, for this, you're going to put it in Inception mode depending on what type of gimbal you're using. Most gimbals have this mode already in there in different names. I'm going to list them down below. But you're going to have it either pushed in or pushed out, and then you're going to go the opposite direction going away while you use the dial in the middle to just rotate the camera and slowly push out or slowly push in. For that, you're gonna have this really cool gimmicky effect. I wouldn't use it all the time. I would only use it if it's good for the story. If it has nothing to do with the story at all, then I wouldn't use it at all personally. But if it's your thing, use it. So those are all the tips and tricks I have for today for this gimbal. If you guys want more tips and tricks or anything else, like reviews or anything, comment them down below. I'll go ahead and start on writing them as soon as possible. I've already commented and writing the ones that came from the last video's comments, so that's exciting. But of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and dream on.